Did you watch the film Aladdin?
Yes.
Hello, here today we have Aladdin's lamp.
So that means if I rub it, the ghost will come out and I will get 3 wishes?
Yes, so what would your first wish be?
My first wish will be to have an A from chemistry.
And what would your second wish be?
My second wish will be to be a great student.
And for the third and final wish, would anyone from public want to come up?
Me.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
So, what would your wish be?
My wish would be to go to Hawaii someday.
Go ahead and grab the lamp.